आपको तो सेंट लुइस कैनियन आते सेंट लुइस कैनियन right here we are going to Saint Louis Canyon
Hello and what's up guys. So अब हामी चाहिँ सेन्ट लुइस क्यानन जाम ल नेपालीमा भन्ने हो भने चाहिँ सेन्ट लुइस गल्छी Oh damn बाटो हेर गाइस Oh फेरि next trail hiking into next trail बाटो राम्रो रहेछ यार It's a very beautiful place Yeah Hello Oh चितवनमा छौँ हो हामी त Oh चितवन सौराहा चितवन Yes हामी छौँ सौराहा चितवनमा
त्यो त हो तर मलाई अलिक फोहोर भयो भने आउँदै आउँदैन कि बस्नै सक्दिनँ त्यस्तो
सही छ नि हैन I feel it's a good place for hiking, you know. हल्का थाकेको अवस्था They literally made this place in a jungle, you know, and there's everywhere a small trail. Look at this. There's everywhere a small trail where you can go your destination, you know, and I can see there's houses in the middle of the jungle. Yeah, look at this. I don't know. So हामी चाहिँ जाँदैछौँ अरोरा क्यानन Bluff trail is on my left and we are going on right. Look at those. क्या सही क्या बाटो त जान यार I like this place. There's literally no one in the jungle.
गाडी म त स्किटिङ बोर्ड बनाएको
That's it? Nice. I was taking video, mama. I was taking video, mama. Hey, Anil mama. Pose.
Go! Let's go!
Nice.
Oh my god.
This way. We just came through this way. We just came through this way. And now we are gonna this way. Yes. Yes sir, I can. बाटो हेर्न यार. सो हामी चाहिँ तलबाट आएको. यहाँ माथि हुँदै हुँदै पहाड चढ्दै जाने हो. पहाड चढ्दै जाने हो हैन त मामा. पहाड चढ्दै जाने हो. And it's kind of adventurous, you know. Whoa. यहाँ तलबाट. Wow.
Of the whole time, one we हम कनेक्ट करिए.
गर्नु न अब. गाह्रो रहेछ यार अलिकति. यो बाटो बिग्रिया रहेछ हो. यो बाटो बिग्रिया रहेछ. Literally, every tree has been broken. सब रुखहरू भाँचिरहेको रहेछ. Every trees are broken. बाटो हो कि नै? Oh yeah. So we found the trail was closed over here. So I think you cannot go further. So हामी नजाने उता. We're gonna go back and go. We're gonna take some other trail. That's cool. This place looks kinda. This place is kinda scary, man.
Find the jump others क्या? पतले से. और भी.
Bluff.
क्या के? बोल करिए थे. कार के बोले एक के. कमेर उतर हम वीडियो करे चलने. हम के लाइव थी. कैसे करे तो कार भाई है तो.
यस्तो सिडीहरू धेरै छन् क्या. Like you don't have to go through those slippery hills, you know. They literally made these kind of stairs so that you can go easily and enjoy the beautiful scenery, you know. Yeah, St. Louis is over here. Look at this. Yeah. So We're gonna go to St. Louis Channel now. नुहाउने हो भर्खर तल Oh,
long way, but not too long.
not too long?
Yep.
Alright, thanks
you got
guys.
about a mile, maybe a little over a mile.
Oh, okay. Thank you guys.
You're welcome. It's just walk over. Okay, what's the shirt?
Hey. Hey. Yo.
यसमा चाहिँ पाइन्छ छैन
ए huh.
This is the only one that's not dry, okay?
Okay. So I think it is going to be fun.
There's water.
Cause there's water. Who dared to go through this way? It is so scary, man. Literally. I'm not daring to go.
St. Louis Canyon.
Yeah, all the way that way. It's a walk. You got like at least a mile and a half. That way.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's far. It's worth it though. Yeah, that's where the waterfall and that is at.
Yeah,
It's
because
worth
we
it.
went to all other ones.
Yeah, we did the same thing. That was the last one we did. It's well worth it.
That's the only canyon with water, so I think we're gonna have fun. I think so.
Yeah.
You can see the road,
Awesome. Khatarnak. This is Khatarnak. Yes. कति भयो है अनि घुर्क्यो नहीं हेर्न यार यो बाटो सही छ क्या सही ठाउँ रहेछ त हो look behind me म हिँडेको बाटो यार everything is made up of wood Extreme trail. I'm with my mama. They are behind me. Yo. I think we are almost here, guys. I can hear the sound of waterfall, you know. Damn, look at this place. This is awesome. Ta-da! Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video, and if you like the video, make sure you subscribe my channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, enjoy.